Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Okay, so today's my video is totally different from my regular videos. Actually, one of my subscriber request me to create a video on how I create mobile comparison videos. So here is the video for you, bro. So let's start. Let me show you the first. Okay, so I have a folder for each items. For example, you can see first I have a bars. Go to it. So here you can see these types of bars I created in Adobe Photoshop using Illustrator, and these icons I download from the internet. So here you can see these are I'm using these bars in my video, and this is for point gain. This is not you I am not using this one. So let me show you where I am using these. Go to the Premiere Pro. So, okay, basically I'm using Premiere Pro for my editing. Okay, so in the starting you can see, okay, you can see these two bars which are coming from both ends. So let me show you these two bars. Okay, so these are two bars, content 1 and content 2. These are the two bars. Sorry, not this one. These one are these. These are the two bars in the opening of the video, you can see. And then I move forward. So here is the name of the phone, which is this one, and this one for the second one. Actually it's stuck in the starting. Now it's fine. Okay, so here you can see when I double click on it, you can edit any name here. So these are the two text. Here you can see, just select from the text here and click in here, and you can write whatever you want. Okay, so let's move further. Then I have a two mobile phones. Here you can see, you can start from here. Okay, let me zoom into it. So this is the mobile 2 and this is mobile 1, you can see here. Okay, furthermore, here you can see I have added an animation points here. So when the video reaches at this position, this is the starting position of the animation and this is the end position of the animation. So let me show you. Okay, so you can see when I pass the first endpoint, it clear the image of the first mobile, and then as I move forward, here you can see the animation is in process, and on this point the animation is completed. So I use this trick for both of the mobiles. Now let's move forward. Then I have a text. Here you can see Realme 9 Pro Plus, which is showing here, and this is a Samsung Galaxy S10 5G, which is showing here. And the heading bar, what is this? Okay, let me move forward. So here you can see it's coming from the top. Okay, so let me show you the animation of this. So as you can see in the starting, I just move it to the top, I mean out of the screen, and when the animation when the pointer reaches at this position, it will show you in this video. So here you can see. Okay, so this is, here you can see heading bar, this one it is. So this is our first folder. Then we have a background. You can simply choose any background here. For now I am using this video as a background. Here you can see, oh my god it is just a simple smallest video of 8 to 9 seconds. So here you can see in my future videos, oh my god but it will not happening in the video. Okay, let's move to the folders again. Here you can see the headings. Okay, so these are the headings I created in the PNG format. So if I want to change background in future, so I don't need to change the background of the headings. Here you can see, so all the headings are in the headings folder. Then I have a mobile phones folder. So here you can see all the mobile phones I downloaded from internet and save it here. By the way, iPhone 14 Pro is very awesome. I wish one day I will buy this. Okay, so then we have a sound. So currently I have two background musics. Then I have a thumbnail. This is the PSD which I created in Photoshop. Here is the thumbnail of my recent video, which will show you on YouTube. Okay, so these are the folders and this is the project. Okay, now let me show you its full screen. Okay, so this is the timeline of my project. So you can see, okay, let me show you. Okay, so now I'm going to run it. Oh, what happened? Okay, so as you can see, as I move forward the bar, my video is running, and here you can see this is the text of launch date which is appearing here. And then what is these two things when we reach at that point, so it will show. Okay, so these are the text, this text and this text. Okay, let's move forward, and this is the heading. This one is heading. You can simply drag and drop the headings here. For example, this is the background which I imported in this my folder. For example, this mobile, let me pick and paste it here. So when the cursor reaches on it, it will show you like this. Okay, deleted it. Okay, then we are here. Okay, this one is a subscription animation. This is the simple subscription button. If I reach here, this is the white button. This is the mouse arrow, this one, and this one is subscribe button in red color. So let me play this one. So when I reach here, you can see the white subscribe button is appearing, and I already added the animation in this button too. So here you can see it's move forward. Now at this point the mouse icon will appear. Here you can see it's appear here, and at this point the red subscribe button will appear. Here you can see. So this is not the animation, I just added one by one layer. It's look like that mouse click on subscribe and subscribe button got red. So just copy these three layers and paste it multiple times, so it will show you many times in your video. Okay, like this, as I just copy and paste after and several intervals. Here you can see. Okay, now I'm going to show you the counter and the tick bar. Okay, so let's start here. This is the best example for you. Let me zoom it. Okay, so at this point, what are the items I'm going to show you? Okay, here you can see the heading bar on the top, the two mobiles, and the text of both mobile. So here you can see the content bar is not showing in this one. Here you can see the mobile 1, mobile 2, text of mobile 1, text of mobile 2, the heading bar, which is this one, and that's it. And when I reach at that point, here you can see the weight, the heading is now appearing here. Then if I move forward, now content bar and content bar 2, these shapes will be appear. Now move forward further. Okay, so when I reach here, so this is 182, 198, these are the weight of the mobile, so the text will appear from here. Here you can see. Now move forward. Okay, so this is the equal or tick mark icon. So okay, so now I'm reaching at that point. So here you can see the green tick mark is showing. Now let's move forward. What is this? Okay, here you can see the counter icons are showing here. Okay, here you can see the counter 1 png is the circle of 1, circle of first mobile, and counter 1 png which is same is the this one circle, and 1 is the one here you can see, and the text 0 is here on it. Here you can see if I move forward, so you can see the build text is showing, and glass the text of both mobile. Here you can see glass front, it's showing here, and how the counter will turn, you can see change from here. Now when I reach here, you can see 2-1. So in this way you can create your own mobile comparison video. Hope you can get the idea of how to create a mobile comparison video. If you want to learn more, go to YouTube and search the tutorial for Adobe Premiere Pro, so you will learn more editing tips. I just give you the overview of how I create, and if you want to learn complete Adobe Premiere Pro, you will definitely do a good work, more good work than me. Hope this will help you. So this is the video for mobile comparison video. Hope you will like it. Please do subscribe my channel, and thank you very much. Bye bye.